Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of computer forensics, designed for the tech-curious and aspiring cybersecurity professionals. Let's start by laying the groundwork and understanding what computer forensics truly entails. Computer forensics is the process of legally identifying, preserving, analyzing, and presenting digital evidence in a way that is legally admissible. It's vital for solving cybercrimes, conducting internal investigations, and providing crucial evidence in courts of law. The forensics process follows a strict methodology to ensure the integrity of the evidence. Data acquisition is the first critical step, creating an exact, forensically sound copy of the original data source. This involves techniques like disk imaging to create bit-for-bit copies and using write blockers to prevent any modification to the original evidence. Maintaining the chain of custody is non-negotiable. It documents who handled the evidence, when, and why, proving its integrity in court. Once the evidence is secured, we move into the in-depth analysis and data recovery phase. Forensics involves static analysis of copies, or sometimes live analysis on running systems. You must also understand various file systems like NTFS and ext4. A key skill is recovering files that have been deleted, as well as extracting hidden digital artifacts from the data. Digital artifacts are the silent witnesses in a digital crime scene. We examine metadata, which includes creation and modification timestamps, and log files that detail user activity and system events. Network forensics is another vital area, focusing on collecting and analyzing network traffic using tools for packet analysis to trace communications and attacks. The right tools are essential for any successful computer forensics investigation. Popular commercial forensic suites like FTK and EnCase provide comprehensive tools for handling large-scale investigations efficiently. For open-source options, tools like Autopsy and the Sleuth kit are powerful. Always verify integrity using hashing algorithms to ensure evidence hasn't been tampered with. If this field excites you, let's explore how you can make computer forensics your career. Essential skills include a strong analytical mind, technical expertise in operating systems, and professional certifications like Certified Forensic Examiner or GIAC Certified Forensic Analyst. Computer forensics is a rapidly evolving and critical field. Your expertise is needed to safeguard the digital world. Thank you for diving deep with us today.